Good morning, Veronica. Good morning, Khadija.
It's Khadija. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, today, right now, we have our English class. So, in English, we were doing a poem that is After a Bath. Okay, so after a bath, we were doing in textbook. So, please remove your textbook. We will be doing page number 17, 1770. Okay, just remove that. First, we will have a talk and then we will have a textbook work. Okay, just remove your marigold textbook, book of literature, poem and chapter. Okay, remove this book and remove page number 17. Okay. Okay, so in first it is have a question and answer. So first question is that do you like to have a bath and say why? Okay, so if you have an answer, you can raise your hands and I'll ask you.
मैम लिखवा रहे हो आप या
नहीं बच्चा,
समझा रहे हो?
no बच्चा, I'm just explaining. We are just having a talk. Yes, Pransh.
Yes, I like.
Yes, but why?
Because we bath properly, we get it from black white.
Okay, very good. Okay, and you are the monitor of this class. Okay, Pransh? Okay. Okay, so second question is, children, you have to raise your hands, then only I will ask you. Okay. So second question is, can you bath yourself or your mama need to help you? Raise your hand. Yes, Khadija.
Bath myself. Myself.
Okay, you bath yourself. Okay. Yes, Buranuddin.
Myself.
Very good. Yes, Sarthak. Sarthak. Very good. So everyone is growing so fast. Yeah, they all are taking bath yourself. You all are taking bath yourself. Very good. Okay. Yes, Rachit.
Myself.
Good, good, very good. Okay, so third question is, how do you dry yourself? How do you dry yourself? Yes, Veronica.
Myself. Why?
Okay, I am on third question. That is, how do you dry yourself? How do you dry yourself? Yes, Buranuddin.
By wiping towel.
Very good. By wiping with the towel. Very good. Okay, yes, Jaitik.
Towel.
Okay, with the towel. Okay, you need to wipe with the towel. Okay, yes, Riyansh.
Towel.
Okay, with the towel. Very good. Okay, so fourth question is, have you seen an animal is drying itself? Have you seen any animal that is drying itself?
No. Dog. Sick. No.
Very good.
No. Dog.
Okay, so just observe a dog. Okay, when a dog is going somewhere in the water, he will come back. It will come back, and they will just do shake, 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 shake. So that's the way animals are drying themselves. They don't need towel, right? Do they need towel? Exactly. So simply they are going in a pond or somewhere they can have bath, and they are just simply coming back from the water and they are just doing shake, shake, shake very fast, and they'll get dry. Yeah. Okay. Observe some animal who are near the water. Okay. Sometimes if you get the chance. Okay. So next, children, we have let's share. in that we have to put a circle around what you do after bath. Okay, after taking bath, what you are doing, on that we are having to on that we are going to put a circle. Okay, so first sentence is throw the wet towel on the floor. Oh, are you throwing the wet towel on the floor, or are you putting on a string to dry?
The dryer.
Very good. And the second option is hang the wet towel to dry. Okay, so if you are, see everyone, if you are putting your wet towel on the floor, you are going to circle that only. Okay, and if you are hanging the wet towel to dry, so you are going to put a circle on that. Okay, do that.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. I throw the wet towel on the floor.
Why? It's a bad manners. You always, otherwise if the string is very up, so you just simply can give it to your mama, that mama please hang the towel, right? It's simple. Okay, so who has put a circle on throw the wet towel on the floor?
Me.
Sometimes it's very good to say truth, right? Very good. Okay,
Me.
so right answer is hang the towel, wet towel to dry. But whatever if you are doing, you can circle it, no problem. Okay, so next is, do you wear these things? Okay, draw lines from the picture to the word. Okay, so first picture is trousers. So put a line from blue trouser wherever the word trouser is written.
D.
Wherever the word trouser is written. We are doing it in the textbook. Okay, we are doing it in textbook. I hope everyone is writing. I mean, it's just have to draw. Yes, yes, here. That's one. That one. Okay, then another are shoes. So find out where is the spelling of shoes is given and join that. Okay, I hope everyone is doing. Today, Dhey is not there. And some more because we are just 17. So only 16 children are there. 3 children are not there. Okay. So third one is a shirt. Okay, find out the spelling of shirt and join that. Arvi, are you doing it? Where is Arvi? Okay, Arvi, I hope you are doing bacha.
Ma'am, I am on school page.
Okay. Okay, so next one is socks. Find out the spelling of socks and join that. Fifth one is a cap. Find out the spelling of cap and join that. Okay. And the last one is a belt.
I'm 117 done. Mine.
Okay. Last one is a belt. Okay, so you can join it to the belt. Okay, so page number 18, 19 and 20 will be your homework. Okay. Page number 18, 19 and 20 will be your homework. Now close your books. We will have one PPT and then we will have a notebook work. Okay. I'll just show you PPT. We will have a short PPT on that, and then we will have a notebook. Okay, I'll just present my screen. No, bacha. Now put your textbook aside, pencil and eraser, and I will tell you that which notebook you have to take. Okay, first of all, अभी नहीं लिखना है, अभी हम PPT explain करेंगे, उसके बाद लिखना है. I will tell you in which notebook you have to write. Okay. Just a second. I'm just zooming it a bit. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children who has raised their hand, please lower down the hands. Okay. Thank you. Yes, Sarthak.
कौन सी book?
I am explaining. After the explanation, we will be writing. Okay. Okay. So this is a poem which we are doing after a bath. Okay. So now you have to tell me why we should take bath. I have just asked. You all can raise your hand. Okay. Yes, Rachit. Can you tell me why we should take bath?
For cleaning our body.
Very good. To clean our body, we should take bath. Okay. We take bath to stay clean. Okay. Okay. So we take bath to kill germs and bacteria. Okay. It will also wash out all the bacteria and germs which stays on our body. They are too tiny, we even can't see it, but they are on our body. Okay, so we take bath to relax your body when you are doing so much work for the whole day, for the entire day, and you are feeling like tired. You just have a bath and your mind gets relaxed. So we take bath to relax our body. Okay, then why we should take bath? Okay, now tell me that how many times should we take bath? Yes, Kia. How many times we should take bath?
The morning, in the night.
Very good. Twice a day. In the morning and at the night we should take bath. Okay, very good. See, we should take bath 2 times a day. Okay, it's brushing your teeth important. Next, is brushing your teeth important? Yes, Burhanuddin, can you tell me?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me. Why we have to brush our teeth?
To clean bacteria.
Very good. To wash out bacteria.
From our teeth.
Yes. When food gets stuck in our teeth, that creates a bacteria, a lot of bacteria, and that bacteria releases the cavity. So we need to wash out it. Okay. Next, yes, Nihal. Why we should brush our teeth?
Because we have in teeth so many bacteria.
Yes, that's why we have to brush our teeth. Very good. Okay. So it is very important to brush your teeth, and we should do it 2 times in a day. Same, in the morning, at the night. Okay, what should we do after bath? Okay, let me ask Vivan. Yes, Vivan. What should we do after bath?
We eat breakfast.
Kaira, bacha, please mute yourself. Vivan, tell me what should we do after the bath?
Dry ourselves.
Yes, we should dry ourselves. Okay, very good. We should wipe our body, clean and dry. Okay. We should even groom ourselves after a bath. Okay. We should groom. Groom means you need to comb your hair and you should wear a clean clothes like that. Okay, to wear a clean and iron clothes, wear your shoes too when you are going out. Okay, after taking bath, we are directly wiping ourselves and having a breakfast, wearing clothes and just combing ourselves, combing our hair, and we are ready for the school. Okay, like that. If you are going somewhere, just be ready with your shoes. Okay, do not go without shoes anywhere. Okay, then trim your nails and comb your hair. Okay, that is very important. The dirtiest thing is nails. Okay, the dirtiest things will stuck in our nail, and when you eat with those hands, those fingers, it will go to your tummy, and that will create a stomach ache and all these things. Okay, so you should trim your nails and comb your hair regularly. Okay, here are some daily routine habits you should follow. Okay, so we need to get up early in the morning. We should brush our teeth twice a day. We should take our bath twice a day. We should comb our hair, then wash your hands before and after eating. We should do exercise, right? We are doing a dance every day. Remember? Play outdoor games. Games are very important to energize your body. Okay, and use a tissue and a handkerchief when you cough or sneeze. Okay, eat fresh and healthy foods. Healthy food, healthy food, healthy food. Reach school on time. That means online. Now we are going online, right? So that's why you just have to come online class on time. Okay, study regularly, stand in a queue. Okay, when you are waiting for something, you should maintain the social distance and stand in a queue. Okay, very, very important that if you are doing any
Teacher,
mistake, yes,
अभी स्कूल कब को जाना है स्कूल?
I really don't know, bacha.
School.
I really don't know, but I will try that way. We will have a school picnic one day. Okay, I will try. Don't worry. Okay, so we should very, very important that if you're doing something good, say if somebody is giving you and sharing you, you should say thank you. And if you're doing mistake, always say sorry without fail. Okay, then all the garbage thing you have to throw that in the dustbin. Yes.
Can I say why we have to take bath?
Yes.
Because we will take no bath one day. We will get stinky and it will be smell from us very stinky.
Very nice, very good. So that's why only we have to take bath. That stinkiness, what the bacteria is creating that stinkiness. So we need to wash it out. Otherwise, bacteria will create all the disease to our skin. Very good. Okay, so we should say sorry. And one more thing you all are doing, that saying excuse me. Okay, when somebody is talking and somebody is doing something, and when you have to interrupt the person, what you are saying, excuse me. Okay, that is very good thing you all are doing. Okay, so do not scribble on the wall. Who is spoiling the wall? When you were small, now who was spoiling the wall? They used to write on the wall with the colors and chalks and everything, pen and pencil. Who has spoiled the walls? Nobody. Good. All were good kids. Chalo, good, good. If you have not spoiled the wall, that is very good.
Excuse me, ma'am. My brother has spoiled the wall sometime.
So you should give one paper to him. He will write on the paper. He will do scribble on the paper. Okay, and the last one is use water wisely. I have just told you yesterday that we don't have enough rain, so we are not having that much enough water to use. Okay, so if we are using water very carefully, we can give that amount of water to somebody else, those people who are not getting enough water to drink even. ओके, अगर हम पानी ज्यादा बचाएंगे तो वो पानी जिसको जरूरत है, जिसको पीने का भी पानी नहीं मिल रहा है, वी कैन गिव दैट वाटर टू देम. ओके, सो प्लीज डू नॉट वेस्ट वाटर. ओके, लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट इज थैंक यू. ओके, now if you have any doubt you can ask me. If you have any doubt you can ask me just for 1 minute. Huh?
Ma'am, we have to take English literature notebook.
Yes. Anybody is having any doubt? They can ask me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. No doubts. Very good. All are smart kids. Okay, then we have 10 minutes. Quickly take out your English literature notebook. Literature question answer notebook, in which we are writing question and answer. Okay, remove your index page.
Ma'am, I have not got my English literature. I am finding.
Ma'am,
Okay, very good.
टीचर आपने जिसमें टाइमर लगाया था वो वाली बुक.
No, bacha. Timer is the English grammar book, and English literature is a different book. Okay, we have remember the Happy Child, then Two Little Pigs. We have written in the
Ma'am,
I have got it.
Okay, I'm presenting.
जी मैम.
Yes, Nihal, what happened?
English book.
English book, English literature book.
जी मैम.
See, the index page which I am presenting is done by somebody else. So please do not ask any question. Just write. English literature notebook, bacha. Okay, so it is done by somebody else. So please do not ask, ma'am, this index is different, this index is different, and we have written that index is different. Okay, do not ask that. Just write the index last one. Okay, we are going to write an index page after a bath. Okay. Okay, I hope my screen is visible. Okay, just write serial number. Kaira, mute yourself, bacha.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
क्या
Yes,
लिखना
ma'am.
है?
मैम ये इंडेक्स में जो है वो तो ग्रामर बुक का है ना.
I know. मैंने अभी ही बोला कि इंडेक्स पेज डिफरेंट है थोड़ा. It is somebody else has prepared.
ओके.
हाँ. तो आप जस्ट वो नीचे का आफ्टर अ बात है, that you have to write only. Okay, children, date is not given in that index page. So just write the date which is given on your laptop on the right hand side down. It is 22. Yes, ma'am.
ये किस में लिखने का है, टेक्स्ट बुक्स में या वो?
इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का नोटबुक है, चैप्टर और पोम का, उसमें लिखना है.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Welcome, ma'am. Okay, so kids, you have to write the date. Date is 22. I am writing the date in the chat box. खदीजा, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर नोटबुक में लिखना है. I am writing the date in the chat box, children. You can write the date. Okay, I hope you have got the date and just write the page number. Okay, page number is up to you. If you are on page number 10, 11, 12, doesn't matter. You can write your own page number. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
I have done 1 and 2 page number, then I have directly reached to 7 page number.
How come? You have not written the page number properly?
No, I have right.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so kids, we have to write. Okay, I'm removing the next page. Just a second, huh? Okay, so put the heading chapter
Excuse me,
number
ma'am.
3. Yes, bacha.
It is not new words, it is hard words.
Yes, it is hard words. In the textbook, it was new words, so we were writing new words. In this poem, we are having the hard words, so we are writing hard words. Okay, I am just trying to zoom it. Is it visible to you all? Or shall I have to zoom? Tell me. Okay.
टीचर मेरे को दिख रही है.
Okay. Just a second, huh? Okay. Chapter number. Children, wait. Wait. Don't write. It has a lot of. Just wait for 2 minutes. I'll make you write. Wait for 2 minutes.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
I have not presented, bacha. Just wait for 2 minutes.
Ma'am, Sarthak is not paying attention.
Sarthak, why? Why you are not paying attention? Just tell me. Okay, so children, I am presenting my screen and you have to write it, okay? Just a second, I am presenting. Just wait for me to write. Will take 5 minutes to write, okay?
Ma'am,
And I'll give you that time for group also, don't worry.
we have only 5 minutes left.
I know.
टीचर ये सोनू मोनू
So right here,
आ गया.
I know. Just write on which I am writing.
Ma'am, that is too small.
Ma'am,
That's just mine.
that is 3 little pigs.
बच्चा, मैं जो लिख रही हूँ वो लिखना है आपको, ठीक है? See, I am deleting all the things.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Okay, आप heading लगाओ.
Ma'am, we have to write hard words.
Sir, हम भी कर दे.
हाँ. You have to
इधर
write.
नहीं.
See, I'm zooming it. Write it. Okay, then also write.
Ma'am, I have write chapter 3, not poem 2.
Chapter, bacha, yes, it's a poem. So just erase it. What is happening? Put a heading. And this is the date for today. So you have to write the date like this.
Poem 2 or
Here
chapter
only.
3?
Poem 2. Because when it is a poem, we are going to sing. So that's why it's poem. Sarthak, mute yourself. Sarthak, please mute yourself. Okay, here you're gonna write page number. Okay, please write page number here. Okay, then here we are going to write hard words. Okay. Okay, put this heading of hard words here.
Ma'am, you are writing.
I hope this is proper and you no need to zoom it.
Ma'am,
Time is over.
Ma'am, I have
Miss
done.
Bacha, you can write it for 5 minutes. I'll give you break, don't worry.
Done.
Done? You can put a star or something like that here.
In hard words.
So you can get to know. Okay, so you have to write like this hard words. Okay?
Ma'am, I have make a star.
Very good. You can make a star, whatever you want. Okay, just a second.
क्या बनाना स्टार? स्टार का बनाना है?
Okay, so your first word is think. Okay, I'm writing here. Your first word is think. Okay, write this. Your first word is think. We will finish hard words and then we will do another question and answer and all these things tomorrow. Okay, don't worry. And children, this is okay. I'll tell you after some time. Okay, the second word is shiny.
What is the third word?
I'm writing it. Wait. Okay, now I can show you that. Page number, date and everything has done? Yes? Okay, so you can directly write this now.
शाइनी के बाद क्या था मैम?
I have presented, see? Wait. Shiny के बाद it is a bath. Okay. And bath, after bath it is wipe. After wipe it is fingers.